Welcome, you are watching the Diary of a Suburban Farmer. I'm documenting my journey as I move towards a more sustainable way of living as I learn how to eat fresh from my garden. I'll be doing my own research but also using your comments for help, so please feel free to comment, subscribe or like these videos as it does help the channel, and together we can learn as we grow. Today's date is the 23rd of the 4th 2018, and in this video I give you a quick tour of my garden. This is my pear tree, which is now in blossom. I've also got, as you can see here, an olive tree, which is, the leaves have gone yellow because of the frost, I believe. It was covered in snow for a period of time. Got some strawberries growing down there. Lemon balm in a pot. Some flowers that the wife has planted. A couple more flower pots, yet to have something in. Some more strawberries, pepper plant, tomato plant, sunflowers. Got some lettuce growing in that bed as well, that you can't see it. Got a plum sucker tree there, blueberry in a pot, raspberry. That's a Lyra spectabilis plant. Another blueberry plant, red currant, black currant, fig tree. This fig tree needs a bit of work, but hopefully it will come good. You can see the buds are coming there, which is nice. In those two empty pots there, I've got globe artichokes. I've got another plum sucker there, red currant there. Sorry, black currant. No, that's a red currant, black currant, bay leaf. Over here, this is a goji berry plant. I've got two of them. One I've put straight into the ground and one as a pot. Some lettuce here, onions, pak choy, different kind of lettuce. I've also got some garlic growing in there. Black currants, rhubarb, some rosemary plants, some Swiss chards coming up, as you can see in these pots here. Got a bit of the Swiss chard going. There's some roses there. Pepper plant that's not doing too well. But it all seems to be doing okay generally. I've got some fennel the other side of this fence. That's my compost bin, which is soon to be gone. And yeah, so we've got some fennel here, which I planted last year. Spring onions, we've got some broad beans as well. Some seedlings growing, some roses. I've got some more seedlings over there growing that I need to get in the ground. Let's take a look over this side. I've got a bed there that I can work on. Just come around here. Some more currants. I believe those are loganberries. I'm building soil here. I will do a video on soil at some point, but in here you've seen there's all sorts. There's eggshells. It's just decomposing as it goes. I've got a rudder bean in there. I've got a broad bean plant there as well in the corner. Marjoram. That's lemon verbena. It seems to be coming back, but it did die off. I've got some onions just growing there. That there is the oregano that's died away. I'm hoping that comes back. Some parsley here, which is doing well. It actually was covered in snow, that parsley. Another pepper plant. It was covered in snow all winter, so I guess it's a perennial now. Another pepper plant. This here is my sage bush, which I absolutely love. I planted that a couple of years ago, and she has been developing nicely. I've managed to get a lot of sage off of her. Got some horseradish growing down there. Shouldn't have put that in the ground, but hey, you live and you learn. Some thyme, a different type of thyme here. There's also some onions there. I plan to grow carrots in this region here because it's a nice sunny spot. As you can see, I've only got the borders to work with, so I haven't really got that much space in the garden. And over the years, you'll be able to watch, if you do follow this channel, you'll be able to watch this garden develop. I've got some mint here. Spearmint, different types of mint here. Some thyme growing in there with this cherry tree, and I've got some flowers as well there. That is the Spizbladine perennial cow. This cherry tree is starting to look nice. This is the first year that I've had her. Sorry, first summer that I've had her. I've got another bed down here, which I'm currently waiting for stuff to go into. That's my plum tree. That's my barbecue. Let's go around here. Oh, this is my perennial seeds that are going in. I'll do a whole video on them when the time is right. Some more seedlings, seedlings. Let's go around here. We've got a large lavender bush, huge, well established. It was actually here when I moved in. We've got some beans growing in there with some onions. We've got radishes, potatoes in the pot. This is the rosemary bush, which is flowering, which is beautiful. I love those flowers. Let's come around here. I've got some flowers growing in this pot. I've got this bed here, which nothing really has gone in yet, so you'll get to see me plant into that bed. Spring onions over there. The goji berries, the other goji berries right in the corner. And that was a super quick tour of my garden. Over the coming weeks and months, I'll be doing more in-depth videos. Please like, subscribe, and share.